We've got this lovely new Toyota Land Cruiser dual cab V8. You can hear the thermo fans working in the background there. All of straight virtually from the dealer with 120 kilometres on the clock. So we'll take a bit of a look, lift the bonnet up. You can see it's got a thing to stop all the leaves from going in over the intercooler. And of course here's the thermo fans. We've just installed the intercooler fans on top. So just remember the reasoning behind that is not only just to keep the intercooler cooler, but that air temperature sensor down the back that'll start cutting the fuel loadings back. And of course when you cut fuel loadings back you lose power, and that's what all the old boys are having happen with these things when they're towing. So we've just done the dual catch can system. Lift it up and give you a bit of a look while we're at it. In there of course with the lovely made in Germany genuine stuff, the filter, oil separator, whatever we want to call it. And then of course we've got the pre-filter, and you can see down the bottom, nice clean bowl down there. Nice engine bay, so all neat and tidy and everything all hitched in of course. But of course when we shut that bonnet and you've got that stuff up there stopping the leaves coming in, it also stops the air going to the intercooler as well. And even with that not on there, you still don't get air to these intercoolers. So one other thing of course it's done is it's just been in on the dyno, and it's just had the ECU tuned. So we've been looking for wider torque range. We might even go for a bit of a quick walk over there and have a bit of a look. Follow Trent in here, he's in working on it. And we've picked up in the vicinity of probably about 30% or so in torque down the bottom. Gone from about a flat 600 to about sort of peaking at 750. And we've gone kilowatts. We don't like to go too high in the kilowatts because that's where all the heat is. So we've gone up to about 125 from where it was before at about 102 kilowatts with that one. This is a brand newie, straight out of the box. So it'll probably free up a little bit more than that. So there we go. That's the whole lot done and set on this Land Cruiser. And we'll just get the bonnet back down so you can see the reasoning behind the fans on the intercooler. And then we're all done. You can see if you're in leafy conditions, I can see why guys put them on there, but of course that just absolutely deflects the airflow straight off. If we have a look at it, it's got one of those huge roo bars on, and of course, you know, massive turbulence at the front of all that stuff as well. But even without that vent being in there, they're just struggling to get air in there enough to cool a massive big intercooler hidden behind there with a tiny little vent that's letting air in. It just doesn't work. Of course, they get heat soak. Computer cuts things back. So let's finish up with the catch can system, the pre-filter system that we've got on there, ECU tuning, and one of the important ones of course down here for this guy is just getting a little bit more noise. It's got the Manta exhaust dual twin system on it now, so I guess it looks apart like a V8. One pipe there, another pipe over there, and a little bit of noise. We might even start it up, see if we can hear it down the back here, but yeah, look, with everything on these things, they're not certainly an illegal noise box. Just got that little bit more note there. Keeps the guys happy. They want to hear they've got a V8. Well, here it is. So that's it, done for the day. I'm Andrew from Berrima Diesel. You can see more of these videos if you keep watching our Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, or at berrimadiesel.com.